Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a short tutorial video on how to adjust your Airsoft red dot. Here I have the replica of the T1 micro aimpoint red dot sight. Different scope may have a different method of adjustment, so you need to take a look at your scope carefully. There's an elevation adjustment or the vertical adjustment and the windage or the horizontal adjustment. Before zeroing your red dot, you need to make sure that you already adjust your hop-up properly. And as you can see here, the red dot is not zero. First, we will deal with the horizontal adjustment. So you can open up the windage or the horizontal adjustment. If you don't know where to turn, just guess the direction. For example, I will turn this clockwise. As you can see here, the red dot is getting farther from the target. So I need to turn it into the opposite direction. So let's turn it counterclockwise. The red dot is getting closer to the target. After dealing with the horizontal adjustment, now we are going to deal with the vertical adjustment. Now the red dot is moving closer to the target. I think that's all about this red dot adjustment tutorial video. I hope you can find this video useful and be sure to subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.